The Grateful Dead Nike SBs in yellow are loaded up on the Nike Snkrs app. They release this Friday, July 24th. Retail is only $110, and these sneakers are going to go for crazy money. So, there's a lot of hype. There's tons of people that are going to go after them. Only a select, very select, small few people will be actually copying this shoe for retail. A bunch of L's are going to be handed out, but in this video, I want to help you guys cop, how to cop, where to cop, how you guys can increase your chances of actually copying the Grateful Dead Nike SBs in yellow on the Nike Snkrs app for retail. I've been trying to do a sneaker giveaway for you guys here on the channel, but I want a video to hit 500 likes in the first 24 hours. So, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up right now. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button if you guys love sneakers and if you love sneaker giveaways. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes in the first 24 hours so that I can announce a brand new sneaker giveaway. But also, please, leave a comment down below. Let me know what sneaker should I give away. We're about to hit 20,000 subscribers. We're very close to 19,000. Then comes 20,000 subscribers. So I want to do a really nice sneaker giveaway. Make sure you guys watch this entire video so it'll bring you good luck on the Nike SB Grateful Dead release on Friday. Good luck on the drop, guys. But I'm going to tell you right now, it is not going to be easy. Expect an L, but you know, you never know. You have to be in it to win it. If you do wind up copying for retail, I dropped a video talking about resell, whether you should hold them, sell them. Make sure you guys check out that video. I'll link it up above. Now, with that being said, let's talk about how to cop these Grateful Dead Nike SBs on the Nike Snkrs app. I want to do a giveaway in this video right now, so make sure you guys listen up, enter the giveaway. I'm giving away a free fire-designed Jordan 1 tee. These tees are up for sale. You guys can click the link down below in the description. The first week of August, I will be doing a live stream on Instagram to select some people to win some Royal Toe Air Jordan 1s. So make sure you guys cop a tee. The link is down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for the love and the support. After you cop a tee, if you do, make sure you follow me on Instagram and then send me a DM on Instagram with your order confirmation. This way I can enter you into the giveaway for the Royal Toe Jordan 1s. So the giveaway I want to do in this video right now is actually some t-shirts. I want to give you guys some t-shirts and some chances at Royal Toe Jordan 1s. So if you wind up getting a tee, you will also get a chance at the Royal Toe Jordan 1s for completely free. To enter this giveaway, all you guys need to do is, of course, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. Let's get this video up to 500 likes once again in the first 24 hours. This way I can do a sneaker giveaway on this channel for free as well. And then leave a comment down below, anything at all you want to say. And at the end of your comment, make sure you leave your Instagram, your Twitter, your email, a way for me to get in contact with you. With that being said, let's talk about how you guys can cop the Nike SB Grateful Dead in yellow that does officially release this Friday, July 24th, and retails for only $110. Resell is crazy, tons of hype. Everybody and their mother is going to go after this sneaker. Resell is going to be over $1,000, maybe around $1,500, $2,000. Resell is going to be absolutely crazy. So with that being said, let's talk about how you guys can cop these sneakers. They are dropping on the Nike Snkrs app. That's what this video is going to focus on, the Nike Snkrs app, because that's where 99.9% of us even have a chance, a real chance, of even copying any of these sneakers. A lot of backdooring has happened with these SBs. That's just how it goes. These Grateful Deads, a lot of the pairs were backdoored. You know, they might have done their raffling, you know, to help with engagement and things, you know, on social media and build up their following and everything. Hey, I'm just being honest with you guys. But a lot of the pairs were backdoored, believe it or not. They were. It's based on who you know, not what you know, when it comes to Nike SB releases especially. So, let's talk about the Nike Snkrs app. They'll be releasing at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, July 24th. Once again, retail at 110 United States dollars. They're obviously going to sell out extremely fast. The problem with this release, I'm going to be honest with you guys, 100% honest on this channel. Guys, the problem with this release is that it is a draw. That's a problem. That is a huge problem because that gives everybody that has their bots and a bunch of Nike accounts 10 whole entire minutes to enter as many accounts as possible. And when you have so many accounts into the draw, that obviously just lowers your chances of copying. Guys, I'm going to keep it real once again. Do not expect this sneaker for retail. You're probably going to take an L. 99.9% of us are going to take an L on this release. It's just the way it is. They were very, very limited to begin with. The sneaker's extremely limited to begin with. I just want to start off with saying that. So there's not a ton of pairs. Guys, just expect an L. Expect an L on this release. Nike obviously has the most pairs, but they gave a decent amount to, their skate shops that also got the pairs as well. Select skate shops also got the yellow pair. So Nike definitely has most of the stock on Snkrs app, we hope. 10 whole entire minutes to enter the draw. So you have 10 minutes to do this. Ready? Go on the Nike Snkrs app. Make sure that your apps are closed out beforehand. I would do that before it even hits 10 a.m. I would close out all your apps. I would also restart my phone. I always do that. It does tend to help, I think, a little bit. Maybe, who knows. I do wind up taking, I would say, definitely more L's than W's, but some decent W's when I do this. So I definitely recommend, once again, restarting your phone and closing out your apps as well. Just have the Nike Snkrs app as the only app running. That's it. Nothing else in the background. Now, you have 10 entire minutes. I do not recommend entering the draw right away. I don't think you need to. I don't think you really need to. I think you can wait 3, 4, 5 minutes, 6 minutes in. I would not wait till 9 minutes. Do not be that person that waits till 9 minutes and 30 seconds. Don't do that. What happens if it crashes on you? What happens if, you're too slow? You just don't even get entered in? No, don't do that. Do not do that. I'm telling you. Get in at around, I would say, 3, 4 minutes. 5 minutes. I wouldn't wait anything longer. I wouldn't get in right away either. Give it a few minutes. It's a draw at the end of the day. It's a raffle at the end of the day. So what time you really get your entry in doesn't really matter. It's based on luck. It's just, of course, the more counts you have, the higher your chance, even though it's still a very slim chance. Just obviously the more counts, obviously it makes more sense the higher the chance. If you do have multiple accounts, which I personally do, I have 3 accounts, I recommend doing one on the phone on LTE, one on the computer. You could do that at the same time. Log out on the phone, sign back onto Wi-Fi, and put in the 3rd account. Now, people have been asking me about the credit card stuff. I personally, what I do is never more than 2 accounts running with the same information. I don't think it's safe to do anything more than 2. I feel like that might be a stretch even 2 sometimes. I personally have 3 accounts, so what I do is 1 for each. I do 1 PayPal, 1 credit card, 1 Apple Pay. That's just how I do it, and once again, I am never on the same network. It's the same IP address because Nike will ban multiple accounts on the same IP address. So I think if you have, I wouldn't do anything more than 2, maybe 3 accounts on the same IP. Anything more, I won't even bother risking it because it's going to be an L, they're going to ban it, and you're not getting the shoe. So now when it comes to actually having your information, you want to make this quick, simple. You don't want to be typing in your password, it's just annoying. Guys, obviously just have Facebook ID or your Touch ID on. You can do that through settings on the right side. Make sure you do that beforehand. All your information, make sure it's accurate, up to date, and correct. So this way when it comes down to the draw, it's time to enter. You can just put your face or your thumb, and you're good to go right in. Once again, I recommend doing it 3, 4, 5 minutes in. Do not be the guy that waits till the last minute, and don't be the guy that's first either. Once again, it does suck that this is a draw. I wish it was not. Apparently, right now, the Off-White 4s are not a draw, which is kind of shocking because, we're used to the draw when it comes to these big releases like this, so I'm used to it. It just sucks that they do it because, like I said, it just enables bots to enter a bunch more accounts that all these people have, and it's just annoying. You're competing with so many accounts. Good luck on this release, guys. Once again, expect an L. I hope this video was helpful in any way. If it was, please make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Once again, let's get this video up to 500 likes. This way I can announce a brand new sneaker giveaway on this channel. If you do wind up copying, let me know if you're going to keep them. Let me know if you're going to flip them, hold them, like I said to do. I dropped the whole video. Make sure you guys check that out. Let me know what you guys think about this Grateful Dead SB release pack. Which one is your favorite? The orange, the green, or the yellow? I have to go with orange, but those are just honestly obtainable. The yellow pair is pretty cool. The green is pretty dope too. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you guys go cop a tee. Once again, the link is down below in the description. Fire tee right here, and you guys can win a pair of Royal Toe Jordan 1s if you do cop a tee. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.